Good morning, my dear children. We are learning the ninth lesson, motion and the types of motion. In the previous lecture, we saw about motion. What is called motion? The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. What is called displacement? Change in the place of an object is called displacement, isn't it? Yesterday we saw this. And also two types of motion are there. What are they? Linear and non-linear motion. Non-linear motion is of two kinds. What are they? Uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Example of uniform linear motion, the parade of soldiers. And non-uniform linear motion, example of non-uniform linear motion is a girl come from the slide. A girl comes down from a slide, isn't it? Yesterday we saw that. Today we are going to see the second type also. First one we saw non-linear motion. Non-linear motion, four kinds are there: oscillatory motion, circular motion, random motion, periodic motion, isn't it? Yesterday we saw about the oscillatory motion. Today we are going to continue the same here. Oscillatory motion. What is called oscillatory motion? The motion of a body that is oscillating, swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. That this oscillatory motion is also a kind of which motion? Non-linear motion. Linear motion means motion in the straight line is called linear motion. The other than that is called non-linear motion. Okay. Here observe and discuss. Pictures are given in this slide. See here, circus, and two people are here in the circus, and clock, that is also pendulum clock is given here, giant wheel, merry-go-round, birds, and this one, this instrument shows the direction. Do you know this? This shows the direction. And this is fan. These are all, this much of examples are given here of non-linear motion. Motion of these objects are not in straight line. See here, this pendulum clock. The pendulum of this clock moves like this. So this is not in straight line. This moves like this. So this is non-linear motion, oscillatory motion. Understood? This giant wheel moves in circular way. So this is circular motion. Merry-go-round also. This is also moving circular way. So this is also circular motion. Okay. Next slide. See, the hands of a clock move in a circular manner. Hands. This one is called pendulum. Which is the hands of the clock? Which are the hands of the clock? Here. These are small one, small, big, and second hand is also here. So these are all called the hands of the clock. Hands of the clock move in a circular manner. Similarly, a fan, a giant wheel, and a merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route. Hands of a clock, fan, giant wheel, and merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route, isn't it? In our day-to-day life, we come across many examples of objects that trace a circular path. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Circular means round. Round में घूमता है तो that is circular motion. The motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed time, a fixed period is called periodic motion. For example, this clock, second hand of the clock complete one round in exactly in 60 seconds, isn't it? 60 seconds. 60 seconds means 1 minute. Okay, each and 60 seconds it takes to complete one round in 60 seconds. That is particular period. It completes one round in particular period of time. So that is called periodic motion. In circular, it rotates in circular way, it moves in circular way, and also in particular period of time. So it is called periodic motion. Understood? Which other examples of circular motion can you give? Can you give me any other example of circular motion here? Not periodic, circular motion. Fan, yes. Wheel of a bicycle, that is also circular motion. Spinning of top, bawra bolte ki nahi, that is also circular, example of circular motion. Revolution of earth, that is also example of circular motion. Helicopter blades, motion of a wheel. A stone tied in a string, खेलते हैं ना stone को बांध के, that is also a circular, example of circular motion. Turning of a car around a curve, turning of a car around a curve, that is also example of circular motion. We see from these examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion that some objects complete one round or one oscillation in a fixed period of time. For example, the minute hand of a clock completes one round exactly in 60 minutes. The second hand completes one round exactly in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. But the minute hand completes one round exactly in 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. While a merry-go-round also completes every round in the same period of time. Such motion is called periodic motion. Understood? Here, use your brain power. Which types of motion are seen when a girl rides a bicycle as shown here? She rides a bicycle. Here, a turning of a bicycle around a curve. Turning of a bicycle, she turns the bicycle around the curve, so it is a circular motion. Here, circular motion is also there, periodic motion also there. Periodic motion, she completes one round in particular period. She completes this round, completes this number 8 in particular period of time. So this is periodic motion and also circular motion. Understood? Can you tell, while chasing a butterfly in a garden, do you run along a definite path or in the same direction all the time? Can you tell me? बटरफ्लाई पकड़ने के लिए आप लोग जाते हैं उसके पीछे पीछे. Do you run in the straight line? No, not at all. We don't run in the straight line and we do not run along a definite path, but we run anyhow in an attempt to follow it. उसको पकड़ने के लिए कैसा भी भागते हैं, बराबर है ना. वी आर नॉट रनिंग इन द स्ट्रेट लाइन, वी आर नॉट गोइंग इन सर्कुलर पाथ. जैसा चाहिए वैसा हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी रन, isn't it? We do not run along a definite path. So this is called random motion. कैसा भी भागते हैं, there is no particular line or round, so this is called random motion. The motion of the players. Can you give me example for random motion? We play in the ground with our friends. पकड़ा पकड़ी खेलते हैं. Any other game, football, cricket. At that time we do not run in the line, we linear, that is not linear motion, that is not circular motion. We run, कैसा भी भागते, कैसा भी भाग सकते उधर खेल में, इसमें when we play with our friends. So that is also called random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Understood? The motion of the player in the game of football is also this type. The motion of a crawling baby or a wandering animal is also random motion. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, note it down. Okay. We will meet in the next lecture with remaining part of the lesson. Till then, read the lesson by heart, the definitions given here in the orange color box in our textbook, and we'll meet in the next lecture with remaining part of the lesson. Have a good day. Bye.